Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do some makeup, of course, but you guys seem to like the last video that I did of this concept, which is a full face with one brush. So today we are going to use the iconic 30-second hack brush from Maskcara Beauty. This is the OG of the makeup brushes. We have a little tapered end here and then a dense buffy end here. And this is the original brush that the company started out with, and I honestly don't use it enough, but today I'm going to show you guys how to do a full face with one brush. So just for starters, I do have mascara on my lashes. I am able to get more on my lashes. My lashes are actually blonde, so I can get really in there without messing up my makeup beforehand, so that's why I have mascara on already. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my favorite primer, which is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It's moisturizing and it's almost like a lotion on my face, and which works really well with these cream products. So we're going to go ahead and put this on really quick. Okay, primer is on as this is drying. I'm going to see how many steps we can get with this one brush. We can do highlight, contour, blush, illuminator. We're gonna try bronzer as much as I can for my cream products. I'm not sure if I can get my powder on here with this, but fingers, I'm gonna say, are available to use. There's no, this isn't a challenge, but I'm just gonna show you how much I can get with one brush. So we'll use our fingers, and I love to use a sponge regardless of whatever I'm using. I always use a sponge to get all the creases out, and so the sponges just make it look more like your skin. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is my everyday compact from Maskcara Beauty. I have the creams on the top. So we're gonna go ahead and dig in here. I have a contour shade that actually I've been using as my color corrector. So I'm gonna use this dense end right here as my contour, my darker colors. So I'm gonna dip into this guy, and this is Aspen, and we're just going to color correct the face. I've slowly been getting a little bit of sun, you guys can see up here. So we're just going to even out all the skin before we start. Okay, so I have half my face color corrected with this contour. Look at this. Alright, I mean, it's not like seamless, but look at this side. It's all blotchy and red, so, and then this contour color corrects. That's so crazy. So really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other side, and then we'll get started putting the face together. So now our face is ready for a highlight color. I'm going to use this one here in the middle. This is called White Peach. This is going to be my all over color. So we're going to go ahead and flip the brush over to this side, and this color will be my highlight, which is my foundation. Actually, all of this is foundation. All of this has covered your highlight, contour, and blush. I just like to correct my redness first, and then I get a little bit more covered before my highlight. So we're gonna go ahead and do this slightly darker one to highlight with all over the face. Go ahead and use this highlight color. This is going to be kind of like a brightener, and we're just going to dab it under the eyes. I got too much product, so we're just gonna do like a triangle under the eye to just bring the focus to the center of my face. So you guys can see the difference. This is the brighter side. Okay, so we're looking a little blotchy, so we're gonna go ahead and use our perfector sponge or whatever sponge you have, and just blend the makeup together and just get rid of all the excess product and creases from the brush. Alright, that looks so much better. So now we're going to flip the brush back over to our contour. We're going to contour our cheeks. I'm going to dip into the second one over here, which is called Ash. And we're just going to contour the cheekbone just very lightly and blend upward. Just kind of make it look like a shadow. Just like that. And because we're using cream products, we can totally fix our mistakes. You can always go backwards and cover it up. And so yeah, it's so nice having cream products, because if you have powder and you do too much, it's really hard to go backwards and fix it and blend it into your highlight color. Now we're going to contour the nose. I'm going to pinch it just a little bit and contour the nose. I'm not too picky about my nose contour. I just like the look of it when it is contoured instead of having it be flat. I like to have the shadows on my face. Okay, so since I forgot to put my cream bronzer, so this is our Bella cream bronzer, and so I took out my other blush. So we're gonna go ahead and try and do bronzer, and then we'll do blush after. So I'm gonna use my contour dark side and see if we can get some glowy summer vibes in here. And I'm just going to contour like a 3 on each side and do down my jawline. This is just how I like to do it. You might have a bigger forehead than me or a smaller forehead than me. Different head shape, everyone's different. So this is just how I like to do it when I have bronzer. So I do like to match my neck to my face, and so I will do that using my bronzer. So that's what I'm going to do today, because my face is always darker than my neck from being red and then color correcting, and it's a hot mess. So every day I will bring some type of product that's darker down my neck to kind of help it match a little bit. Now the face is bronzed. So now we're going to use the dark side again. It has contour bronzer, and I'm just going to dab it into my blush. These are very pigmented, and I'm just going to kind of add just a touch of pink to the face. Right here with my contour, I just want it to blend right in with my contour and just add a little bit of touch to the apples of my cheeks, just ever so lightly. This blush is... This is Nude, which is probably our best selling color. I love Nude. I couldn't figure out if it was Nude or Plum. So then we're also going to do this, put it on the lips, add a little bit of Seamless color. That looks so much better. I need to do this more. Everything is just being brought to the center of my face. I love that. The lights are making my face a little bit more shiny than they normally would be, and you can really tell the difference with the highlight. So you have everything's cream. I have no powder on my face, so if I need to touch up, if I go too far close to my eye, I'll just dip into my highlight color and brighten the eye area a little bit. I'll brighten the forehead if I need to. So this is what it looks like. If you go too low on your contour, you can use the cream and clean up the bottom area. And so what I'm going to do is blend the bronzer and the blush together, and then we will see what we're going to do next. Okay, we are not done with our products. We're going to go ahead and use this illuminator. This is called Pearl. And we're just going to use our finger, and we're just going to add this to the cheekbones and give us a little bit more glow on the cheek, and then we can always blend it out with our sponge. So here we are. Look how far we got. We had highlight, contour, blush, illuminator, bronzer, all with this bad boy. I am so excited to use this again. I can't believe I haven't been using it. I'm kind of sad now. I just need to pick it up more. We have so many double-ended brushes. If you guys haven't seen yet, I have 2 other videos I will link down below using a full face with 1 brush. I love doing these. So now at this point, go ahead, if you are an oily girl like me, I'm gonna go powder my face, and I would like to not use these. I technically could use a sponge and just powder my face with the sponge. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows, add another coat of mascara. Wait, one more thing. Let's go ahead and we can add the blush that we use on our lips and cheek. I'm gonna add like the tiniest bit on my eyes, and we'll see how that turns out. So if you really want to go as far as you can with one brush, use your fingers, a brush, and a sponge. This is all you need, you guys, in one palette. I did not dip into another palette. I had everything here that I would normally use every single day. One brush, one sponge. You can get some sponges for like $3 to $20. Just pick your preference. They all are almost the same. Some are softer than others. The one from Mascara Beauty is a Perfector sponge. This one is the softest sponge I have ever used. So I will link everything down below in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, add some powder because I'm oily, finish my eyebrows, my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay guys, here is the final look. I did this, my favorite. I did the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. It's so big, you get so much product, and it's so cheap and affordable. I've been loving this. And then I use the Superhero by IT Cosmetics mascara. And last but not least, the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. I use this in I use these 2 at least almost in every video. They are my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a final look, and I can't believe how much you can do with one brush, you guys. So I will link everything down below in the description. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe down below, and it really helps my channel, and I will love you so much forever. We can be such good friends. Don't forget to find my Instagram, my Facebook page if you guys want to get color matched or interested in trying this makeup. You can message me on Instagram. I have Facebook down below, or my email. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!